with Red Purple Bull. Looks to be more fun than that.
Truth. I'm staying with David, and I'm not going to change my mind.
Clearly, that cannot be what you want.
What I want is a life without drama and turmoil. I want to stop living in fear of the next shoot out.
And you think you're going to get that big with hate?
Well, even if we find the evidence, he's too smart not to have a backup plan.
Okay, so we'll get a counterattack.
It's not like I never cared about him. The man who saved my life. So maybe I should take David at the story and just
Whoa, stop right now. You do not believe one word that is coming out of your mouth right now.
I'm not going to try to convince you.